Holy cow. That was a lot, huh?
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah.
There it is. Oh. This is fun, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, so we'll see if we can get any more pretzel move. Ray. There it is. Oh, bro, give me some. There we go. Let's see, right in here. Right there. You feel that? Feel that? It's a little sore there, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if there's any popcorn. Put your hand on your belly button. Make sure your belly button doesn't pop up. Nope. Ready? Ready? Act like you're falling asleep. I'm just gonna do a little. Lighter on this side? Okay, there.
Yeah.
You're done.
Yeah.